Okay, so this is the pieces that should come out of your Mercedes, and this is the new replacement piece. Okay, how it comes apart. And now, going into your Mercedes, we'll show you how to do a proper installation. First of all, make sure your vent louvers are straight up and down, that they're perfectly horizontal. You insert the black piece into the center, it will lock in over. Slide the locking mechanism in, push until you hear a snap. Now you can see function is restored, and you now have directional air control back.